Ka Agatha Sangma habe keren bekenong patai kubor kalong ba kala Shimti kum ka Chairperson namar hagini kisi ki balalek kam shim layo man Shimti namar ba kam das ngoklan bhakamet. Kalong ba kalawan ikendu ka Chairperson berim bat gledon bun ki kam ki bladat ban lek ka commission bat ka kerman scam ba ka commission po ka jingelam jongkaru kan trish tom shu banang penklan ni ka jing syakri jong ka commission. Bat kidang don bun ki AKA ki badang hab ban lek. Kalau penpau ya ka jingkong san bandon ya ka jing trilang bagi sinong kitau kenang ban penyo ya ka jaka basingan ya ki kena bakin em bakal penpau ru ka jing sokya halor ka jing slam ban bishar ya ki mokoduma pokso bat kalong ka badai ban le halor kania namar kam dai ka bajatang ha meglaya ndre ha kari bro ka we ha ka bedai ba ka jing keno ba ka jing syatung jongka kum ka Chairperson jong ka State Commission for Protection of Child Rights kalong namar ba ka dai para bot menteri rang ba ka jelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma. Halor kania ka Agatha kalong bakam don ban kentho namar kanu kebale akan don bek jing kentho bat kelapen kesan bakawan hang ni ban penia ka kam jongka bat kermen scam bagi por banwan ki kam jongka ken sakran hi dalade.
Because we don't have one.
Yes.
You'll come up with good
Yes.
recommendations to the
Yes.
government. To
I mean,
deal
we
with
definitely
that.
have to work on this, and it's not just about Meghalaya. In the entire country, you know, the POCSO cases are not very like they are not very fast track. There are fast track courts, but you see, because there's death penalty, it takes a lifetime for sentencing to happen. So it's not something just Meghalaya is facing, it's all over the country. And therefore, I mean, we have to work in coordination with the minister. So I am here to talk to him today, call on him and, take it forward. So let's see how it goes.
Critics have said that your appointment is
Yeah.
Related to nepotism and all. So your comments on that?
See, I have no comments on that either because, whatever you do, there will always be criticism. Honestly, I'm here to show my work, and hopefully in the coming time, my work would speak for itself. And my dedication, because I would just like to say that I'm extremely excited to be in this position where I can work for children, because this is something I don't think it's something that is necessarily it's not necessarily like there it's not necessarily about nepotism or anything, but I personally feel that I've always had a very soft corner for children, and they're my favorite people in the world, and I'm very excited to work. So let people say whatever, so I'm just happy that I've been given this opportunity, and I really look forward to working with all of you as well, because we can't work in silos here. When it comes to security and safety of children, we have to work together. We are in the same side, which is on the side of the children. Of course, the appointment had taken place a few months ago, but I was unwell, and therefore today I've officially joined, and I'm very excited because I realize there's so much to be done. This morning I went to my office, met with the former chairperson and the entire team, and there is so much work that is already being done by the commission, and it's very commendable. And I just hope that somehow I'm also able to add some value and something good to the commission, and I really look forward to it.